Hello, good morning. I am Subramani, Associate Professor, Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. In this video, we are going to see how to develop the hints into a readable paragraph or story. To begin with, let us take up a story. So, before attempting that exercise, we must know the basic principles to develop the hints into a readable story. First of all, you have to read the given hints 2 times or 3 times and try to understand the passage well. Then jot down the points. If the event is in present tense, write the story in the past tense. Suppose you have technical writing, you have science topic, you use only present tense. Arrange the matter in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Give a suitable title. So since as an easier one, in this video I have taken up a story first. Now see the hints. A rich farmer, lot of land, cattle and servants, 2 sons, happy life. After some years, younger son unhappy, asked father his share of property, wouldn't listen to father's advice, got his share, sold all of them, went to another country, fell into bad ways, soon all money gone. Poor, no one helped him, understood his mistake. So this is the hints you have read one time. By now you would be able to understand the story. Now tell me, what title we can give the story? Shall we give farmer or son? Son. What type of son? Good son. He didn't obey his father. So, a disobedient son. We can give the title as disobedient son. Title is over. Now, what you have to do, you can see the phrases. Each phrase you can convert into one sentence. That's all. A rich farmer. Since it is a story, you have to have some background. Farmer. So whenever you attempt a story, you always begin with once upon a time, once, or long, long ago. So these are all standard phrases with which you can begin a story. And moreover, where will the farmer live? In city or rural area? Definitely in rural area, maybe mostly in villages. So the first sentence can be, once there lived a rich farmer in a village. Can we have like this? Yeah. Once there was a farmer in a village. He had a lot of land, cattle and many servants. So second sentence over. Then 2 sons. So he had 2 sons. Then happy life. How can we write one sentence with a happy life? He led a happy life with his sons or with them. After some years, the younger son became unhappy. So the younger son unhappy, that phrase can be written in a sentence like this. So when he became unhappy, what could he do? He asked his father his share of property. So his father advised him, but he would not listen to his father's advice. So that can be written in another sentence. So what he got his share, or he received his share, like that you can write. As soon as he received, and he sold them. After selling them, what did he do? He had huge money. He went to foreign countries or he went abroad, he went to another country. You can write a sentence any way you like. Then he had bad company and fell into bad ways. Soon all the money was gone. He became very poor. So no one helped him. He understood his mistake and he returned to his country. So what happened? So the hint was given up to that. To have a good conclusion, you can hook up like this. His father and brother forgave him and supported him forever. That's all. Now this is how you have to develop the hints into a